Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal how you can change the font of a text block on your site projects in the Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. So access your page project in the Webflow web designer. Navigate to the given page here on the left hand side, select the given page. I will go with this one. Next, click into plus in the top left, scroll down to typography and add one of these text types like a block quote, text block, heading, and so on and so forth. Paragraph, for instance, I'm going to move a paragraph to that section here, and then you will see that paragraph. Double click into it to fill it with text here, for instance, type it. Now to customize that, highlight the text, or here in the text settings you will see that text block, so you can customize that here as well. So what you want to do is switch to the style tab here and then go through the settings, the spacing, size, and at the bottom scroll down, typography. You may click into this drop down menu and choose another font, or you may change the weight of the text, the size, height, color, font color, and so on and so forth. Now if you highlight the text here with your left mouse, you will see also these options: bold letters, italic letters, superscript, hyperlink, and so on and so forth. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.